Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. I just got done putting the Mxp Comp Rs on my personal WRX over here. We got a bunch of them in at a really good price, and so we're passing the savings on to you guys, and you can pretty much buy one right now for a really good deal. So jump on it if you like this exhaust, you're interested. We thought we would show you what it sounds like. The car is equipped with an aftermarket catted J-pipe, so if you have an aftermarket catted J-pipe, this is pretty much what it's going to sound like. But like I said, we got a really good deal on these. If you're wondering what's a good comparable exhaust, the R400 Invidia is pretty comparable to this one, or say the Touring Edition of the AWE exhaust is pretty close to this one as well. So they're all going to have a little bit of their differences, but those are the most similar ones. So if you're looking in that category, this would probably be a good exhaust for you. But let's go ahead and take a look at it.